Welcome to the presentation. How fast can you calculate 103 divided by 67362? If you can divide this problem in 3 seconds, then our answer will be 654 and our answer is there 654. यहाँ इस वीडियो में भी हम यहाँ पर इसे फास्टर वे की हेल्प से सॉल्व करेंगे. We have the value 103 divided by 67362. The trick is same, method is same. यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट्स को कंसीडर करेंगे मेन डिवाइजर में and 3 is known as unused digit. 10 is how many times goes on 67. You can easily divide 10 to 67362 other than 103 to 67362 means अगर हम 10 को डिवाइड करेंगे इस नंबर से that is so easy and when we are dividing 103 to this number that is difficult. तो यहाँ पर हम 10 को यूज करते हैं by using the faster way of dividation. Easy gal में 1010 how many time goes on 67? 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 10 is 60. Remainder is 7. 7 right here. Now we have value 73. 73 minus 3 times 6 that is 18. Now 73 minus 18. 73 minus 18 then 55. Our new divisor is dividended 55. 10 how many times goes on 55? 5 times and remainder is 5. 5 is right here. Now we have value 56. 56 minus 3 times 5 is 15. 56 minus 15 is 41. This is our new dividend. How many times 10 goes on 41? 4 times and remainder is 1. 1 right here. Now we have value 1 to 12 and 3 times 4 is also 12. Then subtraction is 0. When you get the remainder 0, then our answer is 654. Right? It is so simple as that. Let's take some more examples like 112 divide by 64288. Right? यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट्स को कंसीडर करेंगे डिवाइडेशन में मेन डिवाइजर की तरह. 11 times 64. 11 how many times goes on 64? 11 times 6 is 66, that is greater than 64. Here we are taking value 5, that is 55 and subtraction करने पर हमारी value आएगी 9. 9 is written here. Now we have value 92. 92 minus 2 times 5 is 10. Then we have value 82. Means our new dividend is 82. How many times 11 goes on 82? 7 times. That is 77 and remainder is 5. Now we have value 58. You can see 58 minus 2 times 7 is 14. That is 54. 44. That is obviously our new dividend. 44 how many times 11 goes on 44? 4 times and remainder is 0. Now we have value 10 08 18 088 and 2 times 4 is 8 और subtract करने पर हमारी value आएगी 0. That's why 574 is our right answer. Right? Let us take one example more. 123 is divided by 28413. तो यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, 1 to 12 को कंसीडर करेंगे मेन डिवाइजर में and 3 is the unused digit. How many times 12 goes on 28? 12 times 2 is 24. Remainder is 4. Now we have value 44. 44 minus 3 times 2 6. 44 minus 6 is 38. 38 is our new dividend. How many times 12 goes on 38? Then 12 times 3. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. Remainder is 2. And we have value 21. 21 minus 3 times 3 is 9. 21 minus 9 is 12. 21 minus 9 is equal to 12. 12 times means our new dividend is 12. 12 times 1 is 12. Remainder is 0. Now we have value 0, 3. And 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. That's why our answer is 231. Right? Let's solve some more example. This is our last example. Here we are taking the multiple of 200, means 206 divided by 87,138. यहाँ पर भी आपकी वैल्यू 3 डिजिट है, मीन्स आप 3 डिजिट वैल्यू को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पर आप 20 को कंसीडर करेंगे मेन डिवाइजर में और 6 इज द अनयूज्ड बिट. नाउ 20 काउंट on how many times goes on 87. 20 times 4 is 80 and subtraction के बाद हमारे पास वैल्यू आएगी 7. 7 is written here. Now we have value 71. 71 minus 6 times 4 is 24. 71 minus 24. Then our answer will be 71 minus 24. Then our answer will be 47. This is our new dividend. Now how many times 20 goes on 47? 2 times 20 is 40. Remainder is 7. 73. How many times? 73 minus 6 times 2, that is 12. 73 minus 12 is 61. Now how many times 20 goes on 61? 20 times 3 is 60 and remainder is 1. Now 18 and 6 times 3 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. And here when we get the value 0, then our right answer will be 40. 4 2 3 means 423. अगर हम यहाँ पर 4 डिजिट्स को डिवाइड करना चाहें तो भी हम यहाँ पर इजी फास्टर वे से इसे इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. लेट्स से आई हैव वैल्यू 3008 डिवाइडेड बाय 965568. हाउ कैन वी सॉल्व दिस? यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट 3 डिजिट्स को काउंट करेंगे मेन डिवाइजर में and 8 is calculated as unused bit. Now 300, how many times goes on? 965. 3 times 3 is 9, means we have value 900. 3 times 3 is 900. Then remainder is 65. 65 is written here. Now we have value 655. 3 times 2, 655 minus 24. Then our value is 631. This is our new dividend. How many times 300 goes on 631? 2 times 600 वैल्यू आएगी हमारे पास और रिमाइंडर आ जाएगा 31. Now we have value 316. 316 minus 8 times 2, that is 16. Now we have value 300. How many times 300 goes on 300? 1 time. And remainder is 0. Now we have value 08 and 8 times 1 is 8. Now when we are subtracting 8 to 8, we get value 0. and our right answer will be 321. तो इस तरह से आप डिवाइडेशन में किसी भी ह्यूज एंड लार्ज कैलकुलेशन को इजीली एंड करेक्टली बाय यूजिंग द फास्टर मेथड सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.